In this video, I'm going to share to you on how we can duplicate data in Microsoft Excel. So let's get started. Open your Excel sheet. So I have prepared this sample data for you. So usually we use Control C and Control V, but this time this is another way around. So first we just need to select these whole cells by using this plus sign symbol or the cursor. So you just need to simply select that all. And once you have selected the whole cells, press the Control key on keyboard. Again, press the Control key on keyboard and then go to the right side of the table or the cell, and you will notice the plus sign symbol next to the cursor or the arrow. So once you notice the plus sign symbol next to the arrow or the cursor, simply drag that anywhere. Okay, and that's it. That's how you can easily duplicate data in Microsoft Excel. Now you can simply adjust this like that. Now let's try again. Just have to select it and then click the Control key on keyboard, and you will notice the plus sign symbol. Drag it and like that. As easy as that. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.